In the busyness of life, I reconnect with ease. I remember how much easier it is to go with the flow instead of against it. I relax, breathing slowly and gently, feeling expansion in my lungs as I inhale, and feeling a deep release of tension as I exhale. I reconnect with ease when I see a tranquil lake, a beautiful sunset, or birds flying across a soft blue sky. I reconnect with ease when I remember the peace in my heart. In this gentle yoga flow, we will reconnect with ease. From the capital, Austin, Texas, to you. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position, legs crossed, hands on top of your knees, shoulders down and back, chin parallel to the ground, and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. Breathing gently and softly, we open up our session with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky, and we exhale, we bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up and palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. Setting up an intention for your practice, always remembering to go with the flow. Interlace your fingers and extend your palms all the way up to the sky as you maintain the shoulders down and away from the ears. With your right hand, hold on to your left wrist and pull your left arm to the right side. Come back to center, switch hands, and pull your right arm to the left side. Bring it back to center, palms behind your head. Gently place your right elbow behind your head and slightly lift the chin up. Bring it back to center and take the left elbow behind your head and gently lift up your chin. Bring your palms behind your head. Inhale, chin up, elbows open. Exhale, bring the chin down, elbows towards each other. Inhale, open. And exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. And inhale, open. And stay here. Move your left elbow towards your hip, and then moving the right elbow towards your hip. Maintain your chest flat. Coming back to center, place your left arm on the mat as your right arm comes over the ear. Take a deep inhale and exhale, windmill to your right side. Maintain both arms extended. Take a deep inhale and exhale, windmill to the left side, and this time let the elbow rest on the mat as you extend the right arm over the ear. Take a deep inhale, exhale, windmill to your right side, resting the elbow on the ground as you extend the left arm over the ear. Inhale, exhale, back to center, and begin to extend the legs forward in Dandasana. Flex your feet Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Keep the rhythm of your breath nice and easy. As you inhale, you feel the lungs expand. And as you exhale, you feel your body extend. Every time that you exhale, you feel your body more and more relaxed. Bring your chin to chest, round up your back. Place the right foot against the left inner thigh. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your left toes or ankle. Once again, follow the rhythm of your breath. And every time that you exhale, you feel lighter and more relaxed. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back. Switch legs, placing the left foot against the right inner thigh. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankle. Bring the forehead closer and closer to your knee without lifting your shoulders up to your ears. Bring your chin to your chest, round up the back, and slowly lifting up. Bringing the bottom of your feet together in Baddha Konasana. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach forward, holding on to your mat. And rest the forehead on the ground if that is possible. Remember to listen to your body and not force anything. Use your inhales to expand the body and your exhales to extend your body. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly come back to center. Extend both legs forward again in Dandasana. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Clear your mind as you stay present in your practice. Bring your chin to chest. Round up the back. Placing the right foot against the left inner thigh. With your left index finger, hold on to your big left toe as your right arm comes over your ear, and open your chest to your right side. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, look down to your knee and bring the chest closer to your thigh. Chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly come back to center and switch. Right index finger to your big right toe as you open your chest to your left side and bring the arm over your ear. Continue breathing. Inhale, bring both hands to your foot, look down to your knee. Chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly take it all the way up. Extend your legs and cross the right leg over the left one, planting the foot on that side. With your left arm, hug your leg and twist and open to your right side, looking over your right shoulder. Continue breathing as the knee comes towards your chest and the chest comes towards your knee. Bring it back to center. Keep your right foot on top of your left thigh. Inhale, rise up to the sky, and exhale, reach for your left toes or your ankle. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly switch legs. Crossing the left leg over to the right side, hug your leg with your right arm. Twist and open to your left side. Remember to hug your leg and bring it closer to your chest. Slowly bring it back to center. Keep the left foot on top of your right thigh. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, reach for your toes or your ankle. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly extend both legs. As you inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Make your breath long and deep. Breathe with ease. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly begin to find a position laying down on the mat. Give yourself a tall, long stretch. Draw the knees onto your chest. Give them a hug as you gently sway side to side. And when you're ready, extend your legs and find a comfortable position for our last pose, Shavasana. In this space, we know ease. We release the need to control, change anything or anyone. We find peace as we go with the flow, letting go of expectations and specific outcomes. And during this time, we simply reconnect with ease. As we come back to the present moment, begin to extend your body, giving yourself a long, tall stretch. Draw the knees onto your chest and sway side to side. Lay down on one side, whichever side your body prefers, coming into fetus pose. With ease and peace, find a seated position on your mat. Legs crossed, hands on top of your knees, shoulders down and back, chin parallel to the ground and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We close our session with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. May you always remember, life is easier when you go with the flow. From my heart to yours, Namaste.